In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Microsoft Excel security warning automatic update of links has been disabled. If you open a workbook and see a banner that says security warning, automatic update of links has been disabled, Excel is letting you know the file contains links to other workbooks or external data sources. By default, Excel blocks those links from refreshing automatically to help protect you from unexpected or untrusted content. If you know the file and its sources are safe, you can enable automatic updates so linked values refresh smoothly without prompts. Here's how to do it. First, launch Microsoft Excel on your device so you're starting from the main Excel window. Then go to the File tab in the upper left corner to open the Backstage view where application-wide settings live. At the very bottom of the left sidebar, click Options. Depending on your version of Excel, you may need to click More first to reveal the Options button. In the Excel options window that appears, look to the left menu and select Trust Center. This is where Microsoft groups settings that affect document security and external content behavior. On the right side, click the button labeled Trust Center Settings. That opens a second window with more detailed controls. In the Trust Center dialog, choose External Content from the sidebar. This section controls how Excel handles data and links that come from outside the current workbook. Under the area titled Security Settings for Workbook Links, select the option Enable Automatic Update for all workbook links. Choosing this tells Excel to refresh values from linked workbooks without asking every time, which is important if you rely on roll-up reports, dashboards, or models that consolidate data from multiple files. When you've made that selection, click OK to close the Trust Center, and then click OK again to close Excel options and save your changes. That's it. Your new setting is applied. The next time you open a workbook with external links, Excel should automatically refresh those links, and the security warning banner should no longer appear. A quick word of caution. Only enable this setting if you trust the files and the locations they link to, such as your team's secured network folders or well-maintained shared drives. Linked data can change results behind the scenes, so it's smart to keep your sources organized and verified. If you ever want to change this behavior back, simply return to the same Trust Center path and adjust the setting. And if the option is grayed out, your organization may manage it via policy. Reach out to your IT admin for help. Thanks for watching, and happy analyzing in Excel.